I'm Martha's. So nice to meet with you today. I know we've had a couple calls to talk about some of your concerns, but it's really nice to meet you in person. I want to introduce myself again. I'm Bob.
And I'm Bob as well.
Hi, Bob. Nice to meet you, and Bob too. My name's Martha. This is my associate, Martha.
I'm Martha.
So I know we talked a little bit about your concerns over the phone, but we've had a little bit of time and you've maybe had some time to think about it. So why don't you just tell me what your concerns are as of right now?
Martha, why don't you take this one?
Thanks, Martha. All right. Well, I think our first concern here is that we were looking at your proposal and we might need a couple of weeks to think it over. It's a big decision changing our current distributor. Also, our second concern is in terms of the process of switching suppliers, we don't really feel too positive about doing that at the current time. Like, we don't feel like going through and making that call right now. So those are our concerns.
Yeah, I mean, to be completely honest, it would just take some time to have to call our current supplier, and we know them personally. We've gone out to lunch with them and all that, so it would just be not a fun conversation on our end.
Yeah, so like to piggyback on that, I think like part of our really great customer service is we take care of that through our end. So we go ahead and give them a call and have them switch over all of your information into our system. We just need your signature of approval and consent, and then just your phone number just to make sure everything is covered and that you're happy with our service. And then it usually just takes about 24 hours for everything to transfer over, so it's a super easy process. So that's part of our wonderful customer service that we have.
So we wouldn't have to call them at all?
No, we would handle it through our end. Do you have any other concerns?
That's kind of just where we stand right now. Just those two. We might need some time we definitely need some time to look through this and look it over just to make sure that, everything adds up on our end and that it would be worth it to switch. So that might take, a couple of weeks for us.
So I know previously you guys talked a little bit about your concerns with the late shipments of your current provider. And for us at Ross Electric, I think in addition to our service and the quality of our products, which is superior to the ones you currently have, we have previous customers who have been very impressed with how often we are able to deliver and never missing a delivery. So I think that's something you guys could really benefit from.
Absolutely.
So I think maybe if we can get you down and make the call to switch your provider, we can have a shipment to you guys by next week, so you don't have to miss any shipments or let your people know that you don't have a shipment in that week.
So when would you need us to come to a decision then on your end?
The sooner we come to a decision, the sooner we can have that shipment in your hands. So if you want to make a decision today, I can have it there by the beginning of next week.
I think we could do a decision by the end of the day, Martha. What do you think?
Yeah, that sounds good. Why don't you send all this information to us via email and send us those documents you said we would have to sign, and we can mull over them, look at them, and have a decision by end of the day today. What's that looking for, like, you guys?
You can give me a call whenever. I'll be open, and I'm ready to get you guys some great service and some great products.
Awesome. Wow. Thanks so much.
Yeah, we love looking forward to hearing from you and working with you in the future.